Welcome to our channel, where we explore the deep-rooted and multifaceted relationship between Israel and the United States. In this series, we delve into the shared values, strategic partnerships, and collaborative efforts that have strengthened the bond between these two nations. Join us as we uncover the history and evolution of the Israel-US alliance, examining the pivotal moments that have shaped this dynamic collaboration. From security cooperation to intelligence sharing, from technological advancements to cultural exchanges, we highlight the various facets of this special relationship. We showcase the collaborative efforts in science, technology, entrepreneurship, and innovation that have led to groundbreaking advancements and mutual prosperity. Additionally, we explore the role of the Israel-US alliance in promoting stability and peace in the region, as well as its impact on broader Middle East dynamics. Through interviews with experts, policymakers, and individuals impacted by this alliance, we gain insights into the significance of this partnership for both nations in the world. Join us as we celebrate the spirit of collaboration, the pursuit of peace, and the shared values that unite Israel and the United States. Subscribe now to embark on this enlightening journey, as we explore the Israel-US alliance, a dynamic collaboration for peace and prosperity. Israel-US alliance, a dynamic collaboration for peace and prosperity, where friendship and partnership flourish.